Setting up smart triggers can revolutionize how you engage with leads and automate key processes, but many people overlook this powerful feature in their digital marketing tools. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to set up smart triggers, with proof of how it works and how it can make your marketing more effective. Stick with me till the end, as I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. Now, smart triggers are a way for you to automate specific actions based on customer behavior or data. They're not just for advanced users. They're something that anyone looking to streamline their marketing should implement. Whether you're a beginner or experienced marketer, setting these up right can save you tons of time and boost your results. So let's dive in. To get started, head to your software dashboard and find the Triggers section, typically under the Automation settings. Here's where all the magic happens. Smart triggers use customer actions like page visits, form submissions, or even email interactions to kick off a sequence of automated actions. The first step is defining your trigger. For instance, let's say you want to send an email to someone who has visited your product page but hasn't made a purchase yet. You'll create a trigger based on that behavior. When a user visits the page, it'll automatically start an email campaign reminding them of the product. That's the beauty of smart triggers. They ensure timely engagement without any extra work. Next, you'll set up the action that will follow this trigger. Actions can range from sending an email to adding someone to a specific list, or even redirecting them to another page. One of the coolest things about smart triggers is that they integrate well with your CRM and can even trigger actions in other tools you're using, like your email service provider or even your e-commerce platform. To add some proof to the equation, I've set up a simple smart trigger for an email campaign. When someone clicks on a link for a free guide, but doesn't download it right away, I've set up a trigger to send them a follow-up email within an hour with a reminder and additional value. The result? An increase in downloads by 40%. This small automation step was easy to set up and significantly improved my conversion rates. Now, let's move on to a common issue people face when setting up these triggers, ensuring they're personalized. With smart triggers, personalization is key. Instead of sending a generic message, you can dynamically change the content based on what action a user took. For example, if someone clicked on an email link but didn't make a purchase, you can show them a discount in the follow-up. This tailored experience increases engagement because it feels more relevant. When testing smart triggers, always check if the conditions are firing correctly. If your trigger isn't working, check the rules you've set for it. Often, small mistakes in timing or conditions can prevent them from working as expected. The software often has a test feature that lets you simulate the trigger and see what happens. But wait, what about scaling your triggers? Once you've mastered one, you can start setting up more complex triggers, like combining multiple actions. For example, after someone makes a purchase, you could trigger a series of emails that welcome them, ask for a review, and offer them a discount on their next purchase. Smart triggers let you continuously nurture your leads and customers without having to manually intervene every time. Remember, the beauty of smart triggers isn't just in setting them up, it's in the results they deliver. By automating your marketing, you're not only saving time, but also ensuring that your customers are always receiving timely and relevant messages that increase conversion rates and customer loyalty. So, if you're ready to get started with smart triggers today, don't forget to click the first link below and grab your exclusive free trial. You'll get access to all the features we've discussed, plus a few extra bonuses that will help you hit the ground running with your automation. You won't find this offer anywhere else. Now that you know how to set up smart triggers and see the results for yourself, don't miss out on this opportunity to automate your way to success.